5 hours and counting. Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty, as we speak and bring you this broadcast, is still being interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate in the late actor's money trail investigation case. Rhea appeared before the Enforcement Directorate around noon today after her request for the summons to be delayed was turned down. She had wanted the summons to wait until the Supreme Court order next week, but the Enforcement Directorate said, no, you have to appear before us, and that's why she didn't have a choice. She, along with her lawyer, showed up, along with her brother as well, at the Enforcement Directorate office. Shawik, her brother, and Indrajit, her father, were also with her. In fact, India Today is the only channel that got you images from inside the Enforcement Directorate office. 4 persons are being questioned. That is Rhea, her chartered accountant Ritesh Shah, her brother Shawik, who's also a director in some of the companies in which she's involved in, and business manager Shruti Modi. Rhea's brother left the Enforcement Directorate office a short while ago. Siddharth Pithani, Sushant's flatmate and friend, has to appear before the Enforcement Directorate tomorrow for questioning. These are the first images of Rhea in nearly a week after she released a video claiming that she is being framed. Rhea's lawyer has issued a statement saying that Rhea is a law-abiding citizen and has appeared at the appointed date and time. The Enforcement Directorate has booked Rhea for money laundering, as Sushant's family in Patna has accused her of stealing 15 crore rupees from the late actor's account, an allegation that has so far not been validated by the actor's bank statements and the testimony of his chartered accountant. Here's a look at what the Enforcement Directorate and its line of questioning will be over the last 5 hours. This is, of course, in the realm of speculation, but given the charges that have been framed against Rhea Chakraborty by the Enforcement Directorate, this is by and large the line of questioning as it is taking place. Sushant Singh Rajput's family's charge against Rhea of stealing 15 crore rupees from Sushant Singh Rajput's account is likely to be one of the questions. Details of Rhea's 2 real estate properties in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, and in light of what her net worth is likely to be another element of discussion. The role of Rhea and her brother Shawik as directors in 2 firms that also had Sushant Singh Rajput as a director, the financials there will of course also be under discussion. Now Rhea is under the Enforcement Directorate lens for the last 5 hours. She still hasn't emerged. Let's take a look at what's next in this investigation. It has just begun. This is day 1 of the Enforcement Directorate getting to grill Rhea Chakraborty. She can be detained. She can be detained by the Enforcement Directorate for questioning. That's the first thing. Rhea can also be arrested or she can be released. Remember, her lawyer is with her and the charges against her are not substantiated so far. Or she can be produced in a court by the Enforcement Directorate after 24 hours in case they want to prolong her custody. In fact, India Today spoke exclusively to Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer, Vikas Singh, on these new developments and the interrogation of Rhea Chakraborty. Take a look.
Sir, Rhea Chakraborty has appeared before the Enforcement Directorate today. Yesterday, she asked for more time. She wanted to wait for the Supreme Court hearing. But today, finally, she has appeared before the Enforcement Directorate. Do you think that this is going in the right direction?
Well, definitely, because the moment there is a predicate offence, which is mentioned in the PMLA, the ED has a right to step in. And when there is a criminal breach of trust charge, then the money which she has taken out of Sushant's account, if she has used that money, then that is called laundered money. And if she has bought some property, then that property all can be confiscated. So the ED has an independent jurisdiction. The FIR and the investigation by the CBI will continue independently. ED can simultaneously go ahead and attach these properties which she may have amassed using the money of Sushant Singh Rajput, because there are a lot of cash withdrawals from his account. And daily cash withdrawals used to take place for office expense. There was no office working. So all that money was being controlled by her only. So that will all be investigated by the ED. And I'm sure they will be able to reach the truth.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.